to talk about the kingdoms of rivers. Cheras.
My name is Shamli. Topic name is Cheran Sengutuvan. Cheras greatest king Cheran Sengutuvan. Fort Tondi Kusari. My name is Surya and topic name is Cheran Sengutuvan. Sengutuvan brother name is Logo Adigan. Capital Manji. My topic name is Cheran Sengutuvan. Chera great. Cheran Sengutuvan's father name is Imayavarman Nedunchelayan. River Podigai. Topic name is Karigala Cholan. Chola's greatest king Karigala Cholan. Areas of rule: Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Andhra. Kaveri. Port Kaveri Poopattinam. The greatest king Cheran Sengutuvan. Karigala Cholan. Karigala Cholan. Greatest king Pandya's greatest king Pandyan Nedunchelayan. Pandya's area of rules: Madurai, Theni, Tindikkal, Thoothukudi and Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram district. River Vaigai. Capital Madurai. Simple to fish. My name is Mithran. My topic is Pandyan Nedunchelayan. Area of rules: Madurai, Theni, Tindikkal, Thoothukudi, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram district. River Vaigai. Port Kottai. Simple to fish. Greatest king Pandyan Nedunchelayan. Greatest king Pandyan Nedunchelayan. River Vaigai. Port Kottai. Simple to fish. Greatest king of Mahendra Varman Pallavan. River Pala. My name is Gavasani. Capital Magavalipuram. Topic name Magavalipuram. My topic name Magavalipuram. Nirmanagar, Jayanar, Kari, Edmukari, Ayayan, Adiyaman, Ali, and Vandivoli. My name is Karim. My topic Purivinamandagar, Jayahan, Kari, Edmukari, Ayayan, Adiyaman, Nalli, and Vandivoli. Thank you.